Iyatamuwa we Iyore ye here ye Igbo. Osalo boy de no muna no judge me. Iyore ye here Igbo. Iyore is not happy with relationship in the break. Iyore is not happy at all. Iyore is that person of a low self-esteem. Na me we o ma iya feel when you me ni ya sunwe. My guy, why it is sunwe if you know your words. When you are doing the right thing, not taking your own pain to be judging, using it to be advising people. Wa beg we o bi anokian you we e ya ware platform we wa ye ko ya mu bi anegbe oko wa mu nema we aroto e kan ivani wa ke we one day obi gbo adoyin mi awe ge obi gbo doyin mi aneban wa ge obi gbo awa mi aneban wa mi ogwa change ja oka ye tu we se ere platform o ya we carry na the next one we ga hon a Bible tie forgive and forget a Bible tie I make you no do am na gui o Matthew we gboda fun we Matthew we gboda fun we Iyore o ma mi jore o iko ni bunami we their family condemn their life because of benefit where they get for them. Family no go tell them where they go wrong. I go vi me wa agbebo mi oko. Some people are not destined to make it through Igbo. When imeje imaye bo make obo me ya gbazana. Ebo mamugo me igwa toge. Ebo pay us rent mena normal. Is pesa arigo pocket money normal. Ebo mamugo me ove ye na ikwesoro emi no biama ume me eti ya sofa ne wina we na jaki ya yigo ni ya demi ne gbeme wo biano no, and you are not helping that kind of a man who we no biani no who are. God will bless you, mommy but at a time before we they give blame to family member, they not follow you the year. You can still correct them. You can make them to understand, say, see how things they roll. Do not displease people to please yourself. Displease yourself to please people. I keep on saying it. Do not displease people. Displease yourself to please people. Africa, you are blocked. You are blocked and you will never see my live stream again. You are blocked and you see, he block you when or phone. Okay, I won't know where would it be me live stream me. Sometimes now we go use our own hand, correct our mistake, tell our family say no, not be so they roll for ye. Some people go up with their family member, mwe kenu sopi gume, mwe wakwedo gume, mwe kalama lo shonre, agbon mama me, agbon ya mawe. Soma re agbedo mada, winter re agbedo mada, ati webe mini job uyawu, uwe no, I don't be past this kind one. But you fit spend 10 hours, uya fit cover platform me. I wa niye, 4 o'clock, Iyore alere platform me wa. Agbangbon na yahin. Iyore is the most viewed Ozola on TikTok. She's the most viewed Ozola. Yori Ozo view say. You see your life. See Mama Faith now is not our family member. But outside that, they cause shame for what you do yesterday. Just because say Mama Faith, they duet your sound. A sound do balorema no wa duet ilele really here. That's why you now feel yourself as a god. You are not a god to me. You are God. You are God on your way. You are not paying my bills. Rubbish. If somebody send a request, I never saw it. Anita, you are sending request. I try to bring you up. You were getting disconnected. When I beg a gift in it, thank you, mommy, for the gift. You guys want to support, I appreciate. Let's power tap and support with anything that you have. When I beg a gift to Mufitayo, everything where people they do for the social media platform, now you they do. Where you are like TikTok in there, your condition, your con worse. It can your worse from 0 to 0. When I be are YouTube, now we are zeye. Uwa kinu awa. The thing they sweet you because they duet your sound. Both the one way be say the day in pain, the one way the day for agony. You don't even know the way many people take they live. You will they judge people case, you don't know how they feel. You don't know what that they pass through. You know if it settle their case, you are after the view, after the attention, after the useless money where you want is to make. Many of now they call God. Check yourself where. Because even the Bible said a prayer of a sinner is an abomination. You the teaching our village people, they will not be village people. Check it boy say Iyore. Wa bere we okpa fia. Okpa to fia. This woman was so greedy. Igbo. You want to Igbo to abandon the woman that gave birth on a vie mitbia on a vie yoto. Una we no abandon and only way. Wari kwigo gie ne. Una mama with Igbo. You will not use money to hold them. Now where their heart they. All those videos they do. Be agane. If you do ashago. No na. If Igbo agage. Igbo na agage. You de make and the boy. Igbo eke like ego koni yeri yowa no ori ge family oge all time public public domain all time public space in cyberspace we aganyekin iga toge no gungbe me and Igbo no weri ni if Igbo so we accommodate it but in weri ni oni no ense we orije no no ense we orije. That man will never accommodate it. Yani will never manage it. Also, not manipulate it. You think you are manipulating people, but Igbo ninaga manipulate you. I be you now. 2 seconds now, I don't turn you. In a woman, take live video there now. Are you are? Other from where's your boy or Nisa? Other from no that be a hospital so what? Other from you go put them, you go they use their son, they go they do it and they do you don't tell the man woga. Gegbe okay okuna, gegbagbon oko. Woman love okuna, let her go. Tomorrow you go there woman side, next tomorrow you dey man why agbe you gbere woman direction. If you be woman advocate, let everybody know you are a woman advocate. Once in a while, who will support it here? Enu agbobodo. Who dey there?
Sir.
Domo.
Minister, I'll talk by.
You say?
Hello. I'll talk by.
E pa magwan, we gwan ni madame yo.
Obuta, meno moga gwa ban my platform e ban.
Ani ki awi yen no yi.
E pisho me na ki a no.
Abeme we platform we then we can tie. Abeme we gele ki abi to yawe content.
Ehi, moga hakbe music na wege ni ya we de wa to gba mi. Ya we a de wa to gba ma enemy.
Una ya swe music abi I understand.
Ya we ya gbe me wa.
Dava no.
Oman we muje your platform nana.
Okay, pa when we can wake up power tap in ya de gbe mu ya dudu hunko. Don't worry me ma. Wake up power tap one because Europe back can understand the dialect way. More na power tap. Ti gear we my brother. E pa we na be we ale you let we TikTok. We ma be we TikTok here. Umanari cannot you. Iya na ya gegbe okome. Iya ko we ni do analysis here. Iya gegbe na home. Bi mi aya analysis here na. Epa we na be me we are with TikTok. We me we manari cannot you no. We ti go with TikTok. Uri cannot you no ke do go with TikTok. Ah? Come. I got bafo over vilao. E papa WhatsApp. For you to be an abeme kaka a TikTok we were power tap. Well, we will reply for me. We were communicate with him. Oro e vaken wa adam yo wenia. Oro e vani okaya mumo me ya yerene. o ve mu me gano ke gbese mo ve do da me pa no aveta e ti ge wera me mi ya o eke ya bukana so wewe ma I'm not laughing at you, honestly speaking, but all no not asking. TikTok is not for everybody. If I'm not mocking your disability, on Manore panel, you have to power tap, please. When you are in the panel, you don't want to contribute, please power tap and support the live stream. Mommy, thank you for the gift. Why not gift him? Iyore, you hurt so many people with your platform. You hurt so many people with your platform. You hurt so many women yesterday. When mama says single mother, on here you deceive ma. You know how many married women that they cost for your platform? It be so I can't tell you going on nice go. No, the women that were in that platform yesterday, not all of them were a single mother. Some were actually a married women. You know how many women where they insult their husband no go like them. Bringing women to your platform for other men to disrespect them. I stand against it. Ave bianamie we wa kia goma gonka no madam woman don be a single king. So because of Omani is not a married woman, that give you right to no ya insult eh. Iyore, you know they try. You not try, Iyore. You not try. The kind of position that you seek for. Thank you guys for the power tap. I so much appreciate you for your support. Buy ticket, go Nigeria. We are bekete yiva. Iya worship you. Ewe boimana na 50-50 na will be. Na 50-50 na will be. You know if you expect to suffer, go use head, carry snow, carry rain, carry water, carry sun. You come the commander. Because of say you they prove view will be say the people that will be pained is more than the people that will be happy. Iyore na a representative of Awe Agbonvie Eimi Gogo. Who is saying that made they stop? Who is going to stop? Is it the Iyore that will stop or the people that is going there? It's up to them. Many marriages have been destroyed through Iyore platform. Iyore mislead people more than the people she corrects. We might correct a boy. Why you 15 years yahu? Oh, one go my job my oh. Why you on 15 years yahu? We no mienia, we no bego gema, u bego ni sema u maiti di konkon. Isa no rua u maiti di yen. I don't hear you. I'm leaving her alone. And let me see if you are following me. Okay, you are not following me. I will not leave her alone. You put in that comment, Messi aye. Ya yi bivi yaki yoro nisa. Since I did this platform, now see me say I don't have a picture, say I talk about her. I know they look for view. Let's call this spade a spade. Uncle claim you isa go gagboy. Attention ugwalo vegbe won gagbo uncle claim. Uga deva wa, ugi me document no woku no bien no ege junkino. Iva boga la wegbo uncle claim. E zagaza oga la wegbe. Uga deva wa uncle claim. Uga gbeu. E man ni not take by big man ni. Oga salon wokuta. Because of Okianga view where you ever. Because in any Iyore onwa. She don't know. Many people don't know this thing. He go Iyore platform, go do gaga for there. 200 people go follow her. Omukba. For Iyore my daughter with mommy. Or there or daughter with mommy. A mommy or see and una you Igbo ya titana. Una dozwa. A full of 50 something. And one woman. You like praises, you like praises, you like praises. If so eboka o ona gunya inya gwale bowe. Wa ave gwale black man, uve gwale a black agbon. And emato salobwa. O biedo o ti muwe. O biedo ti muwe. O vie ti muwe when we no say because o biedo ni mawege ni. There are some kind of content no we o biedo ti aro we yeke. As far we go lare. O biedo ti di your boy we yeke. I dey talk things the way we be. Iyore na person matter na Iyore take the chop. Na he take the sleep. Na he make her she dey spend 4 o'clock for live video. She will come mute herself. They there 4 o'clock. Oh yeah, I cure depression. Iya kedo TV WhatsApp. E mommy Iyore to give here. Iyore na people matter she take the eat. Na he take the carry herself the waka. Na he take the cook. Use egg the cook the form say she dey do philanthropies. Me ogun buy you for there. I will not let her be. Ogun no gbovi gbokere. Okian gbo yava ni Iyore. I will not let her be. Now people like Unana de Mumu they follow on. You carry your relationship, your private life, go give Iyore. Woman way not the husband, so they settle people marriage. Uma bere to wafianwu. Wa afianwu lele no ovigbo no ye Iyore yakin. It me no kawu bono yo keke yari owa. Comment. The more you comment, the more you are provoking me. Ikata muwane. As you come, you listen, you don't judge. Either you power tap, you support by gifting me, or you waka pass. I know you shan't tell you for ye. A mommy wa make live video and on your manuwa. He pain you abi. He pain you. Una mommy no open live video. Make she still take 1 day break. When no we take break if dokpa. Even woman we newborn they take pause. We we take a pause Iyore o go pare ti talking na. We ewe. No yagba mesa won. Or ibungbe iti ya o. Go ask your ancestor why you dey insult. Why not they make her they feel special? Is she better than the people she they destroy? They give bitterness. They made the people to feel uncomfortable. She want command. She want be mommy. May go open temple for Nigeria. Where no ya key temple in Nigeria? She they enjoy her life. She they enjoy her life. Now she they stay 4 o'clock for live video. She not they enjoy her life. She they cure her depression. Iyore talk with depression. Enjoy life Europa. Eru waya oe. Ona areketo ovigbo na kpokpa na ruaifua. At the end, nobody fit cash Iyore. Una fit cash her. Na ite although ya are TikTok na, she not dey enjoy any life. Best way they enjoy life no go dey TikTok 4 o'clock. Osalo boy di Iyore bakara do buwe. Osalo boy o wage ni it take Iyore 9 years to renovate common house. O take 9 years. Etinya ya screen record o wage okedo ya renovate. No, let me now. Stop commenting negative. If you want her to have mercy in my custody, you stop commenting it. You comment negative, you hear your jai. At least, if now only this one way me do today, she know on platform for evening. Wa mami vi class yo, mona go watch Netflix and YouTube. Ave drama do, ogave tima no agbono, na ni amagbon, wa ve yage evoge na. Mona go YouTube, go watch the Mama Okay film. Have a late otima agbonoge emi sharo ba me. Bini movie wayage. Waveri pause go dokpa. I not gas for Europe. Ask where Iyore dey na she build an Ogungbue. Ogungbue ya have ravi jwe no re emi. Ask where Iyore dey na she get am. Bogusi ai. Bogusi ai. Not provoke me oh. No provoke me. Iyore osaloba no to say we say adori evuhu. Ovigbo odori evuhu. Abi we no comment na era viju odori evuhu. Na agwa bijua. Nu sunwu ejolosi gbera gbijue. Ene na no re comment section na. Ovoku gwa to wa mu edigwe. Na okay. Make a gumege yiwe. Okay, you first follow me before you want to insult me. At least you follow me. You beg a puppy near. You can see your puppy, you they follow me. Oh, I'm a ayakongai puppy. You see your life. You be Iyore lover. You they follow me, you they curse me. Did you see your dirty soul? You see where Iyore people go they use until they do caricature because she be fake. Person wey cry come out. Iedo waga ye ki wagmaka. We ya tie boy Iyore. De Ovigbo ma ye ki aga ya maka nwe. Ovigbo starve Iyore for good and many years. Ovigbo starve. Ovigbo ruwa won yo ru anure. Ovigbo okelo vie ki Iyore we no ka ya uwe ne. Eni oko na miegwe kwa kevota once in a while. Once in a while. O bia o ma deruwe ure period to live to guya te egwieva egwia lelewe But normal, maybe you buy for money, a water, maybe what dera, or what denya weji. Waga woni, my experience, What you want, because people will love me, and pass who not like me for you. Well, say, mommy, God bless you. Well, say thank you. I appreciate all the gifts you have been giving me since. Everybody that have blessed me so far, I appreciate. Omavi Iyore, ovi bukaka meno bakara. Okwano kakwa kuwiene, wota weno ya bakara. God bless you, my dear. That's the kind of comment I want to see. Have mercy on her. Me na my platform my day. A platform image. Irogoman a moderator and drop him. God bless you. I love that comment. You would tell somebody to have mercy. Now can they write? If you write Robin and she go suffer, you go they cry on her behalf. I'd get my own platform. Not be person platform where be say moderator or drop me. Before I talk one team of moderator, don't drop me. Me Elizabeth oni wa me guge. Go and go me. Ya ne question doctor you say Queen Love how we. Mo a Queen Love in na me we Elizabeth wa oni wa me guge. I'm telling you the truth. Iyore messed up. We have to treat her fuck up. At least una don't take pause today. No evening class for una. Hello. What is your problem in her life? Go ask all those women where be say they run come up for husbands go they serve Iyore. Yeah. Thank you, my dear. You see, not be person that I say I'm amazing. Those women where run come up for husbands, and I worship Iyore. Go and ask them the question. Mommy, go me message. I don't hate anybody. I cannot take a woman where be say her own mistake I not feel con the user. She cannot be my role model. We no car model egbe. You they carry better me with your platform. They carry and they do give you away. Wahariva Bobby Wani. O vi bomosomo wesota. You want to impress all those baby mama. Wana mie. Yaga mwe wonda gwene. All this utino e wonda. All the tala wene. Ovi gbewe do love yekewe. E wonda we finish holiday ne. Or we bouge ne. Ovi gbewe awe. Sa. We na kwewe. All we baka. Nobody's above mistake. Nobody's above mistake. Not be make me the talk so. We beg we team me ya want talk. We beg we are there among go we the portion. When I mean nobody's above mistake. Not be the mistake with the correct so. It's the mistake that make all of us to be here. And now social media waiting happen yesterday. Now social media happen. Now social media will for talk. Because of my activities this morning, I went to work, children and everything. I have to clean today's weekend. I couldn't talk about it. So what's your problem? This is my platform. If Iyore can carry people private life, their privacy, carry people, matured, elderly women, bring their secrets on public, be eating, feeding on people's misfortune, I will block your destiny, oh. Not try me, na me be Queen Love, Na me be Queen Love. No, Just stay away from here. You stay away from me. Okay? I should advise without insult. When anybody is trying to insult me, I will give the insult to Iyore. I don't give a F. Okay? Iyore na your God. Me na my own God for my own house. Titi aganoma bieni, ha? Imasi yo igbe. Iyore feed on people misfortune, eat on people's sweat. Do you know how many people that have knelt down to lay curse on her? Do you know? Why? More than not let me come the block negative comment for you. Don't provoke me past this one. You are not power tapping. You are not sharing the life. You are not gifting me. I don't want to see negative comment because you cannot go and put negative comment on the Iyore platform. You guys were enjoying the program yesterday. You never talked to her. Do you know how many women will go and have a fight with their husbands for what happened yesterday? Do you think married women are not there? You go carry that useless man where Aduro do and where he not get paper after 9 years. Aduro agbe wabani. A frustration no ya mwe dudu kiyane ya me be all real a platform Iyore or ya mwe bogbi huo or ma can't play the swear. You want provoke me? Ma can't they play the swear where they swear for mommy faith and all those women there. The when you will not commit rubbish for you again. You commit rubbish again, you go bloody. You go bloody past this one. All the atrocity way she don't commit, everything go fall out on media. Emi ogbo by. Una dede ya we me poppy we me ovien. Or I go what time if when she's wrong you cannot comment because they will block you. Uma yegbe say my ye view organi my guy ye agia tompolo we mi ogwe ekpoko mi ogwe ogbani na wan we mi ogwe bad mother bad children. E pandedama bushmeat agia yabo. It's night already. I live in a pensioner residential area. People that my neighbors, they are all pensioners. I cannot be playing it. Yet maybe weird. Say if I dream bad dream in this night, I'll play in the morning. So yours they pray make I sleep well. More queen imana say seeing what you do 5 years ago, I'll carry and come out. They via fear no fear. They TikTok imagua ariye Facebook kivodoni where they will not correct you. Who cares? Rubbish. Una swear for big man. Does it mean Iyore will not take her own pound of flesh? Why did she mute Mommy Faith and every other women and tell them to mute? A big man na you know why a big muse of your guagbon your going. She commanded the women, all the women in the platform to mute. That only that man was talking. A man that have woman in his own roof. They said every time that man is having issue with his wife, he will come and be pour his frustration and anger on that platform. And we are commanding Iyore anytime he carry that man come in platform again, or their platform in Iyore. That is the assignment that we are going to, we online family, we are going to give her. Anytime bring that man or any other man on a platform to be bullying women, then Iyore will lift it up on a Facebook or a YouTube video. We don't care. Osama Bin Laden, they not terrorize the say. So please learn to know when something is bad, when something is real. She have been doing it for so many years. And now or guy Facebook a YouTube you know also na beg a presenter say attack she will come share that years at the end of Igbo no yawe does for 15 years umati be vikio nisa wa mo story e makia bi ani massive Igbo wa media no mighty dole dagbon you know dollar your woman. Igo no ya le potimunia in Nigeria is people had their money. Everybody do philanthropies. Me we philanthropies in there. He posted me anything I do. I don't post it on media. I also support less privilege and foundation with my own money when I they work, and with my own children benefit. I also use it to support people's children. So get behind me. I don't want to see anything seeable. There is my platform. A platform in Menahina. There's no moderator that will mute me. I'm entitled to my own ways. I take responsibility for my action. I not be Iyore where for the bitter or Igbo ye or see or la ye bere or do I via media. Una not know when Iyore. God bless you, mommy pretty. Oh balo no Igbo see your honi egbe. Enye yadwa manipulate wana. Iyore cannot buy me. More time ago, they will stop crying on media. You want cry, enter inside cry. Or na so amwe bogbi me. E iru camera vie. Ijo mo no bu. Ojo mo no bio mo no gu. Or marwe camera vie. To they manipulate people. Iji me wu no camera cry. Make a take easy. Imana we mi ana. Ahwe wa vireva wa ya mati vani. Tinya so avie pichu wala jan popa awa ke gbanuwa Inyamana swan la pichu wala jane awa na gbanuwa. Wetin make Lovette where they say her husband run comot na Iyore matter. A Lovette undi Iyore we Monica other finally Iyore. She talk am for a video where Easter blog them the blogger. That Lovette where they say her. Undi Iyore we Monica or na by Iyore for almost 9 months. Ona do aso media. Many of now they worship Iyore, now they worship your husband like that. If your husband say mo na need down serve and food, why we matter? But you go they need down for Iyore. Many of you now where they give negative comment, now they tell Iyore say, "Oh, that from Emma like you way." Yeah, I don't understand what you the comment. Not put yes there. I know here what you talk. I don't understand your comment. I couldn't read your comment. Maybe you write your comment again. Mommy Rose Onaiwo. I cannot read your comment, please. Maybe you write again. God bless you too, mommy. Everybody that you are standing on the positive path, God will bless you. You don't need social media to have a good life. I'm telling you the truth. You don't, just that social media is life. We vibe, we get fun, we keep ourselves busy. It reduce the rate with the carry winner, WhatsApp, you do group, you and your peers, you now group on yourself for WhatsApp, you now day for 10 people for WhatsApp group, as we they do on those days where social media never come. From there, they say go pass, come on, either you have been agbele whiskey or moto, or you have been at a party or a club. Just that this social media, thank you guys for your support, everything that you have been blessing me with, I appreciate it. Just that this time, social media now reduce all those low self-esteem, all those illiteracy is a disease, all those characteristics of una ode WhatsApp group, awa ninya wa vage ogben, so one person will go expose the secret, at the end your secret will not be safe. You can see it, but social media you can talk and the matter die there. If it's something that will bring an argument, we argue, we resolve it and settle ourselves. But that doesn't mean that because social media, we know they make use of our konuchi, or our sense not correct again, or sense not go there upstairs again. My horn is very, very intact. My brain is very, very intact. I know so many people will be depressed because you're no online video. Many people will be so depressed and disgusting. They don't even care about what happened yesterday. They don't used to go there. If your bill I say the thing as sickness, now diagnostics to some people. Una know many people where because of TikTok their house don't rotty, cockroach don't destroy their house finish. They know they clean house, they know they clean toilet, they know they bath children. Government don't collect many children finish. They know they carry children go appointments. See mommy Faith now. She know they contribute for topical. But or wild live and you know what mutate be or you na me way those kind of people within here. Nine. You can stay in the comment section and you can still feel the vibe. Me will be quick. I know they quit the climb panel. Thank you, mommy. Oh me, mommy Wesley. Etingi fueji. So many quick here bon platform today. Ma send a request. Make a live platform, mama. Make a la. Even I say no get platform big rich, I know they climb. You know me say I don't want climb. Because I know say some moderator fit they don't like me. But they no get any wife like me. Because they take their time to observe me. I'm not a stupid person. Ile egboma wa ile plan evoke anybody. And they get. Now God didn't go put a thread for my matter. May they no get, may they hate me, no get come block me. But God expose her because she's so greedy. Have a picture be a canny a picture and not the share, If na me I go give. You don't many people don't even know the way they live my life. Okay, because say person picking dey your possession, not be your blood relation. Anything you let give or say well or money or say well, you know. A matter na get escalate. Common sense, you know, common. It not mean say you laugh with person, say you and that person, say you love her from your deepest part of heart. On your say ni mani buna dirty. Ugmen so eti wa de ne di aknya a longer throat or ya boost page oge. But deep inside your muscle will teko. But everything will just die natural death. You know me, say you don't know yourself. Ugmen so learn to share. Learn to share. You get why. Omavi Iyore na, she no want share. He follow Ovigbo, drag on with women where they born for her. Ovigbo love you. Why he born for her side? Ovigbo was dating Iyore before he come for prison. Come go give him a belly. You know, just use the opportunity to find another freshman. You can't continue the relationship. I want go see Pikin, want go see Pikin. They knock another belly. Eya bieli movu eki bieki biegwa. At the end of the day, una igawe babysitter, una iga kokomo. Ni meke ki aba gbime, ime mi okwoba wa kokomo lele okoni wa webu. Ave mi o webu. Mi owe. Ovigbo yazin kayo niwe, overi yegwe. Odori kapi nwe. We wawe tame kapi ne wawe sa. Odogu ikeshire Iyore mwe bogbe wane ni aya ati Iyore vegeni. Owi keshe ikeshire eniye. Odo viavo sama biladi bidiyun. Odo vio yenya. Odo gbale George Ovigbo. She was already preparing herself for marriage. Ovigbo, the kind of line that you are trading. Egbe line ni ye need. Ogbon Ovigbo. Oma no na me wo ya mwene ni keshire kowari. Eke no si ona do vai. Ni phone we wa tu gyo. 5 phone ringi. And almost all of them are made they call you. Not all men can live with that kind of life. I'm telling you the truth. Take it or leave it. You cannot serve two masters at a time. We are happy marriage life. You want me you get husband. You want me you date for only matrimony. You must choose. It might be saying that this your social media. Now you go take pay sacrifice. Then you will do it. It not me say you know this social media again. No. You go there, but you can't rebrand. If it be saying another way you they do your content. If you let the view to diagnose you, you not go know your enemy go they go slowly. You're dead depressed. You feel say, uma no say view who do gbe for o'clock. You want make everybody close before you. A trade fair majim. Get my trade fair. But Larry, a TikTok kewi no. Another person fit come out with another latest content where another person never do. We make one person your come out for TikTok now they do giveaway. Less why they will run leave you 247. God go bless you now. More queen love. I not the PDP, I not the APC. So that in case I don't know where rain go for tomorrow. Iwa we die or a busy one die. The only thing I will do, if you be my friend, I go know as I'll analyze the matter, make her for no hurt you. All the video where I do for enogi, where it be say golden or sungu, honor you and safer. Me and the enogi will never be party for TikTok. So that one are two different. I'm not stupid. We never be party, but now we'll be say, okay, we be party for TikTok. We not get WhatsApp number. Everything I'll let you talk day the end, and I love it that way. If it matter, I not pray anything. It's not his portion. Nothing will ever happen. I go know I'm not a fool. I say they go they carry my video, they give people a queen yo mugi fan Victor mugionona. So now let fan Victor get right to call women as she will to analyze woman. So me queen in prick fall out and not get right to top put. I not get right to say any na she will order document in way. O be when we ti be so o we him we winner. Ujogo. Mommy Ogome and every other persons that are here. you know where truth is coming from. We are not biased. We know they live under depression. We know they live under the mercy of Iyore platform. Iyore go to do video for there. 2K go stand with them. I go to run my platform with 20 people go to watch me. And I go to enjoy the vibe because I not depressed. I'm depressed. You know why I carry energy to run this matter? Because after today, I might not know that person like Iyore CD exists. But pray man sleep well. Because I never play the recording. Night don't come. I feel decide to plan tomorrow morning. I feel not play again. I feel put on for another day. God bless you too, my dear. Our late celebrity, they say there's a slide, a slide line. No, not slide. There's a tiny line between sanity and insanity. Now he take our late sister, our celebrity, Iyore, na he move ye go rina. Now he take her beyond. She follow first road. She saw the sign. She said, Niewa a second round. Sometimes this sense is not common. Daddy Domosa call Daddy Butter. Call Daddy. Sometimes we know they follow our instincts. The thing go tell you say no, hey Jiva. But because you want your friends to feel that things is still going well there, Emi Yereva, it's not nice. Emma. Waga iso yemi yori ni walao. Waga iso yemi yori. Lare Uncle Clemmy.